Good afternoon. We're going to be making some sancocho. I got everything all set up, ready to go. I'll show you how to get it done, and I will post all the ingredients and pictures on the video. So I hope you enjoy this, and we'll see how it turns out. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to be adding our ingredients. So I got six pieces of corn on the cob. It's optional if you want to use it or not. Just put it in there. Okay. I got a half a jar of the garlic. Half a jar. Meat, you can use any type of meat you want. You can use pig's feet if you want, which is not my cup of tea. Chicken, pork. I just decided to use like a sausage. Here's the other half. I'm only using half of it because I'm just using it for mostly the flavor. So this will be going in here, as you can see. Oh. Okay. And I also use some cabbage. Not everybody uses cabbage, but this is what I use. I got it in Aldi's. Love Aldi's. Got a half a bowl. And I also got a can of veggies. You can use frozen veggies. You can use fresh veggies. I'm just a little lazy, so I'm just using the can. I rinsed and already pre-rinsed and washed them out, so I just put it back in the can. And I also got the noodles, a pack of noodles. You can use Lipton, you can use any type of noodles you want when it comes pre-packaged because it just gives it more flavor. And you don't have to put so much salt. I don't really use that much salt because it has enough salt in it already, sodium. So here's one pack. We got the sazon, one pack. Ham flavoring gives it extra flavor. I like a lot of flavor. I got a half a bowl of cilantro, which I got at Aldi's. Love Aldi's. So we'll do a half a bowl. I cut it up with a pair of scissors, and that's how it looks. Looking good. Okay, and last but not least, we got the package of Sancocho, which I only use half of it. As you can see, the other half is in there. This also has an ingredient in the back of it if you want to use it. I preferably just don't want to, so that's why I'm not using it. So I'm using like a small bowl with all the ingredients that comes in it. And also gonna put some garlic powder. I don't know, whatever you want, 2 or 3. I just pour it on there. I got Italian seasoning. I'm gonna finish it up. You can put more, you can put less. You don't have to put it. It's up to you. Some adobo. your preference. I just put whatever. Just sprinkle it on however you want. And then at the very end, I use chicken broth. Got this at Aldi's. It was on sale for $1.19, which is great. So we'll put some of that in there. So there goes one. Let's show you what it looks like. Hold on. There you go. Looks pretty good, right? All right. That is one of these so far. Let's keep adding. We're down to 2. Let's see, I think I could do one more. All right, it looks like it takes 3. So the maximum is up to the 2 level. So we'll do 3 of these. The chicken broth is 3. So let's show you how it looks. Doesn't look bad, right? It looks edible, ready to eat. I'm ready. Okay. Gonna mix it up a little bit. Oh my god, that tastes so good. Let's try again. Oh yeah. Okay, our 16 minutes are up and the sancocho is done. Look how beautiful it looks. It's just 16 minutes. That's all you need. You got 16 minutes and you got a good meal ready to go. Oh yeah. Looks good. Okay, everyone. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you back in the next video.